These are the escalators at Macy's, Town Center at Cobb in Kennesaw, Georgia. These are the set of escalators. And this is the H-frame right here. There's the up sign in the north entrance right there. Macy's Backstage Shine. And this is an Otis escalator. Look up at the skylight. And there's the down escalator. Wow. Otis. So look at this atrium. The mall's right there. The elevator's somewhere over there. Here's a directory. Otis. There's the up escalator. And this atrium right here. Fun fact, this store used to be a Rich's. But then it became Macy's. Look at yourself in the mirror. Hello. Otis. That is it.